Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vanilla milkshake. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 generous scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream, about 1/2 cup of cold whole milk, and just 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. These foundational elements are key to achieving that classic, creamy taste we all love. Get ready for a sweet treat. Now that you have your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully pour the milk into your blender first, then add the 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and finally the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin blending on a low speed to gently combine everything. Once it starts to mix, gradually increase the speed to high, blending until your milkshake is perfectly smooth and thick, usually for about 30 to 60 seconds. Once your milkshake is blended, you can get creative with customization. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding 1 tablespoon of malt powder before blending. A classic touch is to top your finished shake with a generous swirl of whipped cream and a bright red cherry. Remember, serving your milkshake immediately in a pre-chilled glass will keep it wonderfully cold and refreshing, enhancing every sip. To ensure your vanilla milkshake is always a success, here are a few expert tips. Always use very cold ingredients. This helps achieve a thick, creamy texture and prevents it from becoming watery. Feel free to adjust the amount of milk you use. Less milk makes a thicker shake, more milk makes it thinner. Finally, clean your blender right after serving to make cleanup a breeze and avoid any sticky messes. Enjoy your perfect homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.